Alright, let's get this done. First, open your preferred browser and head straight to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look for that hamburger menu, those 3 horizontal lines, usually tucked away in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that. Scroll down a little and you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap it to expand the options and then tap on Settings. Now, you should see Account Center. This is where Meta bundles everything. Tap on that. On the Account Center page, scroll down and find Personal Details. Give that a tap. Next up, tap on Account Ownership and Control. This is where the magic happens. Then, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. If you manage more than one profile, Facebook will ask you to choose which one you're working with. Select the account you want to delete. A pop-up will appear. Make sure you select Delete Account, the permanent option, and then hit Continue. Facebook will ask for a reason you're leaving. Pick one or don't, totally up to you. Then tap Continue again. And tap Continue one more time. Okay, this next screen is important. Facebook gives you options here, like saving your posts, archiving your info, or downloading a copy of everything. Take a moment to consider this. If you want to save anything, do it now. Once you're ready, scroll all the way down and tap Continue. Security check. It'll ask for your password. Type it in carefully and tap Continue. This is it, the final step. Tap the Delete Account button. See that? You should get a notification at the bottom confirming your account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. And just like that, it'll likely log you out. Now, don't panic. Your account isn't gone instantly. Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period. If you change your mind within those 30 days, all you have to do is log back into your account. That will automatically cancel the deletion process. But if you don't log in, after 30 days, it's permanently gone. And that's how you set your Facebook account for deletion.